said, boy, oh boy, you bring tears to my eyes. I said, what? She said, boy, oh boy, you bring tears to my eyes. Bob Marley said, how long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Little did he know that eventually the enemy will stand aside and look, while we slash and kill our brothers, knowing that already they are the victims of the situation. Still licking wounds from brutality, still licking wounds from humiliation. She said these words, and the wrinkles on her face became perfect trace for the tears that she said. To the churchyard, showed me graves on the ground, and she said, there lies a man who fought for equality. There lies a boy who died in the struggle. Can all these heroes die in vain, while we knowing that already they're the victims of the situation?